Mayo buntag. Okay.
Where he's gonna put it?
Well, what's it for?
For our tomatoes.
So maybe just on top of the pumpkin for now? Or anywhere?
Kahit saan daw, kuya? Kahit saan daw?
Yeah, and we'll take the blenders to be fixed as well, yeah.
Punta tayo dun.
Yeah. Yes. And these two. You want a small job today?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell Ray what you said, babe, about the triangle thing? Didn't you say you make a triangle with the bamboo and then wasn't that what you said? Or am I dreaming again?
It's not triangle, it's like this.
Babe. Huh? It's for the bamboo.
Ano hininday? Purwa. Tatayo lang dyan, usok dyan, ganyan.
Yung para hindi siya
Matumba.
matumba.
Do you know how to grow tomatoes, Ray? Yeah?
Okay. Ganyan lang. May
Yeah.
tali dyan. May straw.
Itatali.
Whatever you do.
May
Where's
straw.
your straw?
Straw. Straw.
Back there. I'll get it.
Patayo lang ganyan. Stand. The tomato.
Can you tell Ray that we'll get the wood? We'll order the wood today?
Pag may deliver, anuhin ko lang.
Huh?
5 minutes?
How many?
5 minutes.
Okay. So after this haircut?
Or upload.
Upload, then haircut.
Then blender.
Blender. Yeah. Do one of your faces, babe. Another one. The best one you did was the... Wait a second, Tom. What kind of haircut should I get? Mohawk?
No, very small here. Like 2 inches.
Yeah, mohawk.
2 inches like this.
Okay.
Here.
Alright, let's do that.
And shape all over.
Our cats are always hungry, babe. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Huh?
We're gonna have another rabbit. Baby rabbits.
Oh yeah? When? Soon?
Because the mama is shedding again.
Well, are we gonna know what to do this time?
Are we gonna tie the rabbit?
What?
Are we gonna tie the mama?
I think so. So the babies can eat, drink. Yeah. Whatever we have to do, I want them to survive. Hey babe, doesn't the backside of the school look like a prison? Interesting that. I have a hot spot. Do you have a hot spot? I think it's up one more. It's apartments.
Ito ba yung driving school?
Oo. Kaya,
Paano po mag-apply ng
magpa-ID? Magpa-license? Naka-SP? Naka-SP? May SP ka na? Apa? Kailangan mo muna ng bago ka makakuha ng driver's license. Kailangan mo ng kumuha ng student permit.
ano po yun?
Dito. Bago ka makakuha ng certificate, hindi yung kailangan mo ng makakuha ng SP. So, yun ko pa ng DJI. Kailangan mo yung
If they need it or if they already do it,
Well,
they can do it.
the way I understood the driving school, they give you a training and then certify that you pass the requirements so that you don't need to go to LTO, but maybe I misunderstood. That's what we need to find out. So this is a school, but sure looks like a prison. Hi. Hello. Hey.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you. Hi. Bye.
Bye. Shout out to Martin and Chilo.
Okay.
What's your channel?
YouTube, yeah.
Hey, thank you. Hey. Hello, TikTok.
Off-Grid Island family. Hi.
Johnny said, I think you still need to go to LTO. Think they just give a certification showing you met the requirements.
Yeah, maybe that's what it was. It sounded, yeah, because I thought I asked. In my mind, I asked. So you guys pass.
What's the problem, my friend?
No power.
No power? No electricity?
Some power, but very weak.
Patay na ako, kalas ikaw. Direct content. Patay lagi na.
And smoke. But it's only 3 months old. Where's the fan for that one, babe? There should have been a fan inside. No? Yeah. That goes with this. If you can fix that, I don't know.
Wire? They cannot fix that one.
Which one?
The red one.
Why?
With the wire.
Did you hear that? What'd they say? Rewind.
Anong kailangan ko yan?
A new one is 900. Huh?
You bring the adapter.
Okay. Transformer, yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Matches all of your outfits. Do we want another one of those solar lights? Huh? Babe?
Yeah.
Another solar light? How much are those? Can you ask?
Kailan ang solar? 1-1.
Is this someone's house, babe? Is this their house also? Look, they're...
You think?
Yeah.
This is where they eat.
Absolutely. Reach out.